Hello guys, we are on question 7. On question 7 we are given the information there, and the information, the statement is illustrated on the diagram here. Okay, without wasting time, let's go to the questions. Okay, 7.1, they say show that x equals to 5 over 2 cos theta there. Okay, let's go to our diagram. Here's x. Okay, x is in this triangle ADC. Okay, we are having ADC. Okay, and this triangle is a right angle triangle because we are having 90 here. Okay, we are having 90. The angle D in this triangle, it is 90. Okay, so it means we are good to go to use the trig ratio since we are having a 90 degrees. Okay, then here our AC is our x, which is the hypotenuse. Okay, then we can use AD or DC. Okay, but you have to choose careful. Okay, in our case we are going to use AD because AD is also in triangle ADB. Okay, and triangle ADB is also a right triangle. A right angle triangle is having 90 degrees there. Okay, and it is having theta and one side given there. Okay, ABS as 5. Okay, then we are going to choose AD. Okay, then AD is opposite to theta there. Okay, it means we are going to have the opposite and a hypotenuse. And if you can remember, we are so where we are having the opposite over the hypotenuse as a sign by definition. Okay, then it means here we are going to use a sign. A sign is our trig ratios. There are 11 trig ratio in our question. Okay, and let's start. That is our 7.1. Okay, 7.1. Okay, we are seeing that we are going to have the sine of 2 theta there being equal to AD over the AC there. Okay, we are having it like that. Okay, this is our angle is 2 theta, and 2 theta is opposite to AD, and this hypotenuse to AC. Okay, then the correct ratio there is trig ratio. Okay, then we are going to substitute the AC as x. Then we substitute our AC as x there. We are going to have sine of 2 theta there be equal to AD over the x there. Okay, then we can cross multiply there. Okay, we can have this over 1. Okay, then we're going to say x multiply the sine 2x there. We're going to have the x sine of 2 theta there. 1 multiplied by AD, we're going to have the AD there. Okay, then we want to remain with x this side. We're going to have everything divided by sine 2 theta there in this side, sine 2 theta there. Okay, sine 2 theta divides sine 2 theta there. Okay, then this side will remain with x, then this side will be AD over the sine 2 theta there. Okay, but here we don't have the AD, and we don't even have the sine. Okay, then it means we must deal with the AD. Okay, when we check our triangle there, we are having the AD, and like I said, the AD also falls in this triangle. Okay, ADB. Okay, and ADB is also a right angle. Okay, then a right angle triangle, I mean. Okay, then it means we can also use some trig ratios in this triangle, which is going to help us to get the AD. Okay, when you check AD is opposite to our theta there. Okay, and it's a hypotenuse to 5 there. Okay, then the correct trig ratio there to use is sine. Then the sine of theta should be equals to AD over the AB. We are in this triangle now. Okay, we focus on this triangle. Then we are going to say but we can even write but here. We're going to say but sine theta, then sine theta equals to AD equals to AD over AB, okay? And our AB equals to 5, then we're going to substitute our AB, then we're going to have sin theta equals to AD over 5 there, okay? Then we make AD the subject of the formula, then we divide by 1 here, then we cross multiply. We're going to have our AD as 1 is going to multiply the AD there, then we're going to have 5 multiplying the sin theta there, then we're going to have 5. This is 5, the 5, the sine theta there, okay? Then we are going to replace this AD here, not here, here. We're going to replace it here and continue working, okay? Then we come here, we're going to say, therefore, our x equals to, remember we said AD is equals to 5, the sine of theta there, okay? Then over sine to theta there, okay? Remember we were here, okay? Then we wanted to deal with the AD, then we dealt with it, then the AD gave us something of this magnitude, then now we went back and substituted here, okay? That's why we are here, okay? But here we are having the double angle, okay? And we are having the double angle for sine there, okay? Remember, by definition, the double angle for sine there, we are having it like that, okay? Then we can replace our double angle with that, okay? Then we come here, we're going to say our x equals to 5 sine theta then equals to, then we expand our double angle, then we're going to have the sine theta multiplying the cos theta there, okay? Then we can say the sine theta divides the sine theta there, okay? Then here we're going to remain with 5. In the denominator, we're going to remain with 2 and the cos theta there, okay? Then we are having something of this magnitude, okay? We are having something of that magnitude. Then when you look at the question, we are having something like that, okay? Then it means we managed to show that x indeed equals to 5 over 2 cos theta there, okay? We are having it like that, okay? Then can we also, let's do the 7.2, okay? Let's try the 7.2 there. Let's try the 7.2. We are having the 7.2, okay? On the 7.2 there, they say calculate the length of BC. Here's our BC, okay? If it is given that angle BAC, it means now we are concentrating on triangle ABC, and this angle, it is given there as 112 degrees there, okay? 112 degrees there, and theta equals to 30 degrees there, okay? We are requested to find the BC there, okay? If we can draw that triangle, we are having this triangle of this magnitude, okay? We are having the A, the B, the C, okay? Here we're having 5, here we're having 8, okay? And we are given this angle, okay? We are given this angle as 112 degrees there, okay? Here if we need to find the length of BC, okay? And again, we need to recall about our rules there, okay? Here we are having the sine rule there, okay? Remember, for you to use the sine rule, when you are looking for a side, okay, then you must have an angle and an angle again and a side, okay? When you check here on our triangle, we are having an included angle, okay? We are having a side and a side and an included angle, okay? We are having this side and another side and an included angle, okay? We are having it like that. We are having two sides and included angle, okay? Then it means with the side we can use it, because with the side, remember, this is a side, This is the side which is opposite to this angle, the side which is opposite to that angle. Okay, so in this case, the side that you're going to look for is BC. Here is BC, okay, and BC is opposite to A. Okay, yes, we are having the angle A, and this side we can use the given side, but we won't have the B, the angle. Okay, remember we're only having one angle. Okay, then it means the sign in this regard is not gonna help us because it needs two angles, whereas here we are given only one, and there's no way we can find it one of the angles or both of them. Okay, then we come here on the cosine rule. Okay, the cosine rule says that if you are looking for one side, okay, you must have two other sides, okay, and you must be having the angle which is opposite to the side that you are looking for. Okay, remember this is a small a, this is a capital A, this is a side, and this side must be opposite to this one. Okay, when you check, we are having a side here BC, and BC is opposite to A. Okay, and we are having another side and another side. Okay, and included angle. Then here the correct trig ratio to use here, it should be not the trig ratio, I mean the rule should be the cosine. Okay, the cosine rule. Okay, then our cosine rule is A squared there being equals to B squared plus C squared, subtracting the 2BC, the cos of the A there. Okay, then our A there we replace it by BC, I mean, then we're having B squared. Okay, then this one we can say is AB, is AB squared. Then this one we can say is AC squared there. Okay, then there we're going to have 2AB multiplying the AC, the cos of A. Okay, then we substitute accordingly there. Okay, we substitute accordingly there. Okay, we substitute accordingly there. Then we are going to have our BC squared there, our BC squared being equals to AB is 5. Okay, then we're going to say 5 into squared. Then our AC is squared, is x, I mean, then we're having x squared. Then we're going to have negative 2 into 5 into x, the cos of 112 degrees there. Okay, we are having it like that. This is our AB, our AC. Okay, and our angle there is A. Okay, but here we are having the x there. Okay, remember x, they said x is equal to this. Okay, x is equal to 5 over 2 consider there. Okay, and we are told the size of theta. Okay, we are told that theta is 30 degrees. Okay, here's theta. We are told that theta is 30 degrees. Then for us to get x there, it means we must come here to say but. Okay, but our x is equals to 5 into 2 cos 30 degrees there. Okay, then we are saying x equals to, okay, then here you can use the calculator because we are not told that. Sorry for that, we are not told that we should not use the calculator. Okay, 5 over 2 cos 30. Okay, then we are having it like that. Okay, then we can substitute 5 square root of 3 into 3. Okay, remember the calculator rationalized everything. Okay, but you're going to substitute it like that. Okay, then where there is x, it means we are going to substitute that. Okay, then we say therefore our BC squared should be equals to 5 squared plus into 5 square root of 3 divided by 3 squared. So for that, subtracting the 2 into 5, then the 5 square root of 3 there. Okay, I hope this is visible. This is 3. Okay, divided by 3. Okay, I'm trying to make them fit here, all of them. Okay, I'm squeezing them, then here it must be 112 degrees. Okay, I'm trying to make it visible. Okay, I want everything to fit here. Okay, then here we are just having numbers. Okay, we can just press them on the calculator like that. Okay, we can press everything on the calculator, then see how much we get. Okay, then we are going to have bc squared equals to, okay, let's see what we get. Okay, we are having 5 squared like that, into use my calculator. Yes, 3 divided by 3 there. Then we are having squared, then minus 2, 5 into 5 square root of 3 divided by 3, then the cos of 112. Then we are having it like that. Okay, then we are getting something of this magnitude. Okay, we don't round it when we are here. Okay, we just write it straight away as it is. Okay, then we are going to have 4, we're going to have 4.14729 421. Okay, and then now we want to deal with the square root. We know algebraically for us to deal with the square root we must introduce the reciprocal or the square root. Okay, then we have the square root to this side and the square root to that side. Okay, remember square root is plus or minus, but here we are dealing with length, and we should remain with positive. Okay, then we're going to have 6.64. Okay, then we should have units because we are not told the specific units here. Then we should have it like units. Okay, then we are having it like that. Okay, if you got any question, you can ask. You can always ask. Okay, bye.